welcome back to the shed. We've been talking about Speedfit fittings in the last couple of videos. There are other brands out there. The Speedfit is a John Guest brand. There's HEP2O, which I'm quite a big fan of. This is a water butt connector, and it's exactly the same. To connect these is take your pipe, use your insert. I'm using the John Guest insert here. You can get specific HEP2O ones, same but different, and it's exactly the same. That just pushes on. With these ones though, there's no need to tighten up, it's literally just pushes on. And it's obviously exactly the same for a copper pipe. Take your copper pipe, push it on, and that's it. Job done. Well, I hope that was useful. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks. See you on the next one.